Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Do you want to find some new ways to use broccoli? How about making these versatile thin broccoli wraps? Use them as wraps, soft taco shells, or even crepes. I will also show you all my imperfections while making these wraps and how I fixed them so they did not go to waste. Let's get started. Here are some cut up broccolis, which is equivalent to 5 medium broccoli florets. Microwave them for 3 minutes or until they're soft. Place them in a blender. Add cold water, milk, egg, along with some seasonings. Blend until it's liquefied. Add flour and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps. Set the batter aside for at least 15 minutes. When I didn't let the batter set for at least 15 minutes, it was very difficult to flip the wraps. I wasn't even able to make a wrap, so don't skip this step. Use a non-stick frying pan lightly brushed with oil on medium heat to cook the wraps. Oil spray will work too. Pour a half cup of broccoli batter in the middle of a pan. Because I want thin wraps, I use a spatula and carefully spread out the batter into a thin layer. My wrap had a little hole like this, but as long as the batter has not set, I could gently push batter from another part of the wrap to fill the little hole, and no one will know. Let the batter cook on the stove for about 3 minutes until the bottom turns light golden color like this. And a spatula can slowly get under the wrap and the wrap feels solid enough to flip. Flip the wrap and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the wrap is fully cooked. Every stove is different, so watch the wrap to see when it is cooked. Also, I turned the heat down to medium-low when the stove got too hot. With my second wrap, the batter was unevenly spread like this, so I took a tiny bit more of batter to cover up the right side. Well, not too bad in my opinion. Still thin and soft. And here's my third wrap. I flipped it wrong and it cracked. Remember how I sealed the little hole while the batter was still soft earlier? With the same concept, slowly I tried to fix the crack and even out the wrap. See, it's fixed. Can you tell these wraps are thin and flexible? There are many ways to use these wraps. Here I have some cheese, salsa. You can also add all the toppings like scrambled eggs. Roll it up like a breakfast burrito, or you can eat it like a savory crepe. Or make salad wrap for a meal like this chicken salad wrap. These thin broccoli wraps are definitely versatile. I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. Happy eating and see you next time!